Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a screen capture blocked on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First up, I would like to answer the question, why is screen capture blocked? It is a privacy feature as WhatsApp right here prevents screenshots of profile pictures to prevent users' privacy. Also, it occurs on view once media as well. Okay, so this is a bulletin, a security measure designed to stop an unauthorized saving of images, and no direct app setting exists to disable this protection. But you will have multiple ways to bypass this specific error or privacy feature. Open your WhatsApp application. Let's say you went to a person's profile picture. Go ahead and use your other phone and take a photo. That's one. The other option is just to use the WhatsApp desktop app. Mesa, you can use the snipping tool or screenshot feature on your PC. And that's it. How to fix a screen capture blocked on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.